Welcome to the fascinating world of our emotions. Imagine your mind is a busy city filled with thoughts, feelings, and reactions all happening at once. Sometimes we experience mindful thought, a gentle awareness that helps us stay present and grounded. But when life gets hectic, we might turn to mindfulness interventions or mindfulness based cognitive therapy to help us navigate the storm. Techniques like mindfulness based stress reduction teach us how to breathe, relax, and find calm amid chaos. They're like mental yoga for our brain. However, not all emotional responses are smooth sailing when affect regulation fails. Think of it as our emotional thermostat malfunctioning. We might generate maladaptive effects or misregulate feelings like anxiety or even joy. These disruptions can trigger stress responses that feel overwhelming, causing impulses to act out or thoughts to spiral. We often try to manage these tricky feelings through situation selection, choosing environments that soothe us, or situation modification, changing our circumstances to reduce the stress. Intentional strategies help us focus away from distressing thoughts, while cognitive strategies like positive reappraisal help us reframe our experiences in a more positive light. Response modulation strategies involve directly changing how we express or feel about emotions, like deep breathing or distraction. Through experiential, behavioral, and physiological changes, we can shift our internal states. Dialectical behavioral therapy, or DBT, offers tools to balance acceptance and change, guiding us to accept difficult emotions while working to regulate them. Acceptance and mindfulness-based interventions encourage us to embrace our feelings without judgment, kind of like giving ourselves a mental hug. Emotion-focused therapy and emotion regulation training teach us to identify emotion regulating cognitions and physiological processes, helping us understand what's happening inside. Behavioral chain analysis helps trace the steps leading to emotional outbursts so we can better manage future reactions. Some techniques like systematic desensitization gradually expose us to fears or stresses, reducing their power over us. Self-compassion is a game changer, treating ourselves with kindness instead of judgment, fostering a compassionate mind and mindfully nurturing our emotional well-being. Through positive cognitive reappraisal, we teach ourselves to stressors from a new perspective, transforming anxiety into opportunity, acceptance, and experiential avoidance are two sides of the coin. While acceptance invites us to fully experience our emotions, experiential avoidance is like trying to dodge feelings altogether, which often backfires. In the end, mastering affect regulation, whether through antecedent focused strategies that prevent emotional escalation or response focused tactics that manage feelings after they arise, it helps us improve our psychological functioning. So remember, it's all about being kind to ourselves, staying present, and using the tools of mindfulness and emotional regulation to lead a happier, healthier life. Because when we understand and care for our internal emotional landscape, we're better equipped to face whatever comes our way with a smile.